a crime boss serving 20 years for killing 39 migrants who suffocated in the back of a lorry, has returned to the Old Bailey after challenging the compensation order in the High Court. Ronan Hughes, 45, had charged migrants 14,000 each on the run from Zeebrugge, Belgium, to Purfleet in Essex, and made 180,000 on just one trip. Trucker Maurice Robinson, 30, had found the bodies of 39 Vietnamese nationals, including 8 women and 3 children, in the refrigerated trailer in Grays, Essex, on the 23rd of October 2019. Some had tried to break out using a pole, as others wrote final heartbreaking text messages to loved ones, as those around them sobbed in darkness, knowing their final moments were near. Ronan Hughes of County Monaghan admitted 39 counts of manslaughter and 1 offence of assisting unlawful immigration for his part in facilitating the illegal immigration. In January last year, a judge had ordered he pay £182,078.90 in compensation to the families of those killed in this terrible tragedy. Hughes, a ringleader in the people smuggling ring, was warned the penalty for defaulting on the order was 2 years in prison. Central to the confiscation order was the house Hughes built on his parents' farmland, where his wife and children live. It was estimated that the asset is worth 150,000, based on a 50% share of the house valued at 300,000. But Hughes appealed on the basis his mother, Catherine Hughes, would not surrender any part of the title to the land or grant right of way to anyone to access the house. In April, the Court of Appeal ruled that there was no agreement that the land upon which the house was built would belong to him. Lord Justice Holroyd, Lord Justice Snowden, and Mr. Justice Jeremy Baker ruled there was insufficient evidence to suggest Hughes had any proprietorial interest in the land. The original order was squashed, and the case was sent back to the Old Bailey for a fresh hearing. Hughes, who appeared in court by video link from HMP Wakefield, said he believed his mother owned the farmland in County Monaghan along with his brothers and uncle. "Did you believe you owned the land the house was built on or not?" asked Tim Maloney, defendant. Hughes replied no. Mr. Maloney asked, "How much did it cost to build the house?" Hughes said, "I don't know exactly. I'd estimate probably around 100,000. Asked how long he thought he would be able to live in the house, he said, "I thought I'd be able to live in it as long as I could, as long as I can." Mr. Maloney asked, "Did you believe you would be able to sell the house to someone else?" Hughes replied no. Paul Jarvis, prosecuting, asked Hughes when he realised that he didn't own the house. "Whenever my mother said she owned the land." Asked how long he spent building the house, replied 5 to 6 years. Mr. Jarvis said there is a 2006 document that describes Hughes as the prospective owner of the house. Mr. Maloney asked Hughes, "Was it ever suggested to you that you might own the land on which the house was built?" Hughes said, "That was never suggested to me, no." Mr. Maloney asked, "Was there ever any agreement that you would come to own the land that the house was built on at some point in the future?" Hughes said, "There was never any agreement made." The hearing was adjourned until December the 13th. Jurors in the trial saw horrifying footage of steam gushing out from the container which became a tomb as Robinson opened the doors after pulling up an Eastern Avenue Grays. Driver Maurice Robinson admitted manslaughter and trafficking and was earlier jailed for 13 years and 4 months. Marius Dragici was jailed for 12 years and 7 months for manslaughter and conspiracy to assist in illegal immigration. Alexandru Hanga admitted conspiring to assist in unlawful immigration in relation to a single occasion, separate from the fatal journey and was jailed for 3 years. Driver Eamon Harrison was convicted of 39 counts of manslaughter and jailed for 18 years. Kennedy of Corkley Road, Keady, County Armagh, and Valentin Colota of Cossington Road, Birmingham, each denied, but were convicted of conspiring to assist unlawful immigration. Kennedy was sentenced to 7 years imprisonment, and Colota was jailed for 4.5 years. Please like this video, please comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my crime channel. Thank you.